Before you spend your money on Roskia Sheets, there are a few things you should know because the marketing behind this bedding set looks impressive at first glance. But the reality may not be as straightforward as it seems. Roskia Sheets are advertised as premium 100% natural linen sheets made from European flax, with claims that they become softer over time and can last for years. The company also promotes massive discounts, often showing prices dropping from more than $300 to under $100, creating the impression that customers are getting luxury bedding at a fraction of the normal cost. While that sounds appealing, several details raise questions that potential buyers should carefully consider. One of the biggest concerns is the pricing strategy itself. Luxury linen bedding is typically expensive due to material quality and manufacturing costs, so extremely large discounts can sometimes be more of a marketing tactic than a genuine bargain. Another issue is the lack of transparency surrounding the product. Although the sheets are described as European linen, European linen, there is little publicly available information regarding certifications, sourcing documentation, fabric weight, or manufacturing standards that would normally support such claims. The website also follows a familiar e-commerce template with limited company information, making it difficult to verify the brand's background. Customer reviews displayed on the site appear overwhelmingly positive, but because they are hosted and controlled by the seller, it can be challenging to determine how representative they are of the overall customer experience. Some shoppers have also pointed out that product photos and customer images look unusually polished, leading to concerns about whether all visual content accurately reflects the actual product. In addition, reports online mention issues such as lower than expected quality, shipping delays, and difficulties obtaining refunds. None of these factors automatically prove that Roskia Sheets are a scam, but they do suggest that buyers should approach the product with realistic expectations, conduct independent research, and carefully evaluate whether the advertised value truly matches what is being offered before making a purchase decision.